Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and some good vibes is a must. Today we're going to be making this beautiful pot of rice and peas, but it will be the can version. So here I am pouring in 1 can of red kidney beans or red peas as we call it, right? So then I pour some hot water into that can just to wash out that nice red juice. It is not so red, but hey. And then I pour it in the pot. Then I'm going in with can number 2. So I'm using 2 cans of kidney beans, right? And then the same thing, go ahead, pour some water in it, shake it up and pour it back in there in the pot. And then now I'm going in with some hot water. Yes, don't use cold water, right? We're trying to keep that temp or get that temp up. I prefer hot water. Use whichever one you want. Then I'm going in with some garlic. And of course, the star of the show, my favorite, a good can of coconut milk. Listen to me. You don't want to mess with this. You need to, whether you're going to grate your coconut, blend your coconut, or if you're using the can one, I promise you don't want to stinge and buy a cheap one. Get you a good coconut milk, say nice and rich. Yes, you can also use 2 cans of coconut milk if you want. It's just that, guess what? You would use less water, right? So yeah, now I'm going in with some thyme and I washed it. Some scallion, same. Wash it and cut off the edge, and I some pimento seed and a little bit of some salt, and I'm gonna cover that and bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. So now that it is all boiled up, boil, yes. So I'm going to stir it up, give it a nice little stir, and then now I'm going to taste it. Mind you, you could mix it from before and taste it, but I wanted everything to boil and come together, yes, so I can taste everything together. Okay, so it's fresh, so I'm adding some more salt. It looked like a lot, but trust me, this salt wasn't salty. So stir it again, and I'm just going to cover it for 2 more minutes just because I added the extra salt, right? No biggie, you don't have to do that. I wanted to. Okay, so now let's add the star of the show because it's no rice and peas without the rice. So here I'm adding my wash rice and I'm using basmati rice. Yes, use whatever rice you want to use. So give that a stir, So another way, if you want to measure out, you can just use cup, like measure out your water. So if you're cooking 1 cup of rice, use 1 cup of water, right? You can do that if you want to get a good cook. So allow it to boil down, dry down on medium heat, and here it is, Vibes fam. Here we have it, all done. So once it's dried out and just beautifully cooked, this is exactly how I love it. So the right amount of shelly, but yet kind of still wet, not wet. You see how it look, Vibes fam. You know what I'm saying. Nice and shelly and right. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like the video, click the thumbs up and share it with somebody. And please subscribe and make sure your notification bell is turned on, all right? Or else you won't receive any notification when I post new videos. Thank you. God bless you.